Not every rider has heard of the Demon's Backbone, but if we use its other nickname, the Ohio Dragon, you'll know exactly what awaits you. A challenging, twisty road through lusciously green forests and tranquil farmland. The Demon's Backbone, officially Ohio State Route 536, stretches for 12 miles from the town of Hannibal on the Ohio River to the Appalachian Byway. Sound short? Maybe, but not an inch of those miles is a dull affair. The Demon's Backbone is undoubtedly one of the most technically demanding rides in the Buckeye State. The curves come in rapid-fire succession with few straight sections in between. Some turns are mellow, but you'll also encounter sharp hairpins that'll keep you on your toes as you weave through the stunning scenery. After the 12 miles, you'll definitely be ready for a break, or you'll do it all over again. The ride's still not over though. The Demon's Backbone forms a part of the Demon's Triangle, a collection of roads that offers more twisty hill carving and calm cruising along the Ohio River. It's a lot of fun, challenging riding that takes you past the small towns, beautiful woods, and grazing cows of Monroe County. The Triangle shows the Demon's back isn't his only ride-worthy body part, although it might be the best.